Hello, hello, crafty friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. And today I'm stopping by to say that I'm bringing back Mornings with Danny. I started it at the beginning of the year and I think I lasted a week. As I mentioned in my life update, I was so overwhelmed. I was on so many teams and just so many things that videos were just freaking me out. And so I stopped everything and I'm back. If you didn't watch that life update, I'll link it below. But basically, I have the house to myself pretty much all the time now. My husband is back to traveling for work. My daughter's getting ready to graduate, and she's a very busy girl, so I don't see her very often, which is awesome. But it just means I have a lot of time on my hands, so I'm embracing making videos. Don't know how often I'll do them and all that, but for now I'm enjoying it, so I thought I would bring back Mornings with Danny. But I'm not going to do it in the same format that I did before. When I tried it before, I had a certain expectation for every day, and I'm just not going to do that. I just hope to get up a video a couple times a week, start you off on a crafty day, and share different things. One day it might be sharing cards that I got in the mail from crafty friends. Or it might be, hey, did you see this video that another crafter did? I learned so much from it, or I really enjoyed it. Check it out. Or it might be a project share, or opening up crafty goodies, or who knows. Whatever strikes me. So I'm looking forward to that. While I have you here, I will share this fun card that my friend Teresa, who you know as Fresh and Renewed with Teresa here on YouTube, sent me. She knows I love tacos, and I mean, this is just amazing. I'm assuming it's Doodlebug because these look like Doodle Pops. I might have to look for this paper because that is amazing, and I think I need some in my stash. Love it so much. Thank you, Teresa. And then my other friend, Lisa, sent me this. Used to be a swap group. I've switched it over to an RAK group, which is a Random Acts of Kindness group. I'm not taking any new members right now, but last month the theme for the month for sending out the Random Acts of Kindness was embossing. And so she did send me a few embossing panels too, which was very cool. And it's just so cheery and wonderful. And so those totally made my day. And thank you so much, friends. And I will leave you for now. I hope you have an amazing crafty day. And I will see you soon. And I hope your morning or your day, whenever you're watching this, goes absolutely fabulously. Talk to you soon. Bye.